Dumpster Rental, Kettering, Ohio. Are you looking for a hassle-free dumpster rental in Kettering, Ohio? Anna's Dumpster Rental is your local expert for all your waste management needs. We provide many dumpster rental options to ensure your home or business projects run smoothly. Whether tackling a renovation, a major cleanup, or simply decluttering, our reliable services keep you on schedule with fast deliveries and prompt pickups. Anna's Dumpster Rental is trusted by homeowners and contractors alike for our efficient, on-time deliveries and worry-free service. With us, you won't have to deal with waste piling up, allowing you to focus entirely on your project. Our dumpsters fit any project, keeping your site clean, organized, and safe. Whether you're clearing a garage, managing construction debris, or handling yard waste, we have the right solution for you. With Anna's Dumpster Rental, waste removal is one less thing to stress about. Our Kettering-based team provides friendly, personalized service and expert advice to help you easily choose the right dumpster size and guide you through the entire rental process. We pride ourselves on delivering unmatched value, reliability, and exceptional customer care. We make waste management simple, convenient, and affordable. Experience the difference with our top-tier service. Ready to make your next project easier? Call Anna's Dumpster Rental today at 937-704-3069 for the best dumpster rental in Kettering, Ohio.